Hi guys, and welcome back to LS Techs. Today I've got a lightning cable. This one is from Joly Joy. It goes for £12 on Amazon and it says it's a metallic cable, so I made a purchase and it came here. So it's only at £12. I'll leave a link in the description, guys. So yeah, let's have a look at it. So I've got this box here, I've got the cable here, Joly Joy, nothing else. So it's made for iPhone, so should be MFi certified, and it is. That is very nice, guys. So let me pull this off. So let's open it up. Ooh, it comes with a carrying case. That's extremely nice. Nothing else in the box. So let's put that to the side and let's have a look. So it's a metallic braided cable, and yes, it is. So simple carrying bag, pouch, just the Joy logo on there, nothing else. Let's put that to the side and have a look at the cable. So yes, this is a metallic cable, guys, for £12. Wow, that is very nice. So let's take all these things off. Let's have a look at it. See, it's a metallic cable, guys. So we've got some nice strong connection at the top, so they're not gonna bend anything like that. Let's see if I can get this into focus. Just look at that. It's very nice. So let's see if this will work. So I'm just going to take my Anchor power bank here, connect it in. It's giving me 2 batteries. Put my phone in and it's charging. Very simple, so that works. Let's try that again. Take it out, put it back in. It's charging. Let me try that again. It's working, so that is very great. So as you can see, it's a metallic cable, which means this is not going to break anytime soon. Feels very nice, and you can follow like that and it's not gonna bend or anything or break. It's just gonna come out, it's not gonna stay in place. So that is very nice, guys. So for £12, wow, this cable is gonna probably last you the entire year, probably more. It's extremely strong, as you can see. Metal bend, it's not going to break anything like that. I'm even trying to break it. Not even sure if this kind of pick up on the camera, but I'm trying to bend it, but it's not going to go any more than this. And as you can see, it's gone now. That is very nice, guys. So for £12 you can get a metallic cable, which is MFi certified, so you know it's going to last you even longer. So that is a very nice cable, guys. The only thing is, it only comes in this gold color. Would have been nice to see a black or silver. But yeah, so if you want a gold metallic cable for your iPhone, iPod or iPad, here you go. Very nice one for £12, guys. I will leave a link in the description. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and see you in the next one, guys. Take care.